Hey guys, welcome back to my video series on solving all of LeetCode's problems. Now I'm solving 263 ugly number. I already started recording this video, but I went the wrong way and I wanted to make this a short video. So, what is the ugly number? An ugly number is a positive integer whose prime factors are limited to 2, 3, and 5. Given an integer n, return true if n is an ugly number. Okay, so 6 is an ugly number because it's 2 times 3. 1 is an ugly number. So I'll say that 1 is the edge case. If n equals 1, return true. And 14 is false because it includes the prime factor 7. So, what is my approach here? My approach is, if a number is ugly, then we can divide it by 2, 3, and 5 consecutively, one of them, and get an integer, and do that all the way until we get 1, till we reach the end. So, how do we do this? We can kind of like loop that, try to divide by 2, or try to divide by 3, try to divide by 5. If one of them works, we continue doing that. If none of them works, then we just give up and say it's not an ugly number because it depends on another prime as a factor. So I already have some code here, so let's repeat it. N, 1, return true. And now, while n is different than 1, actually, I don't even need that. Well, and if n is 1, it will just break this. So, for div in 2, 3, and 5, rest equals and rest of the division by div. If rest equals 0, so if we can actually divide it by 2 or 3 or 5, we say that n equals n divided by div, and then we break. And else, so if you don't know the for else notation, basically this piece of code only runs if the for loop was not broken. So else return false. So if none of these numbers create a rest of the division that's equal to 0, you break and you return false. So let's see what happens actually. So n is 14. It will be divided by 2. So while and now n is 7. It's not divided by 2, can't be divided by 3, can't be divided by 5. Else return false. Submit. And now we wait. Okay. N equals 0. I have no idea. I don't know if n equals 0, return false. I don't know. It's test case 0, run. Okay, I guess 0 is supposed to be false. Yeah, okay. Memory was very good. Runtime, not so good. Maybe I can do something here because I'm dividing twice. So maybe I can just divide and check if Rust I don't know. I could, instead of dividing twice, maybe I should divide once and then check if the decimal part, something like that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it.